Don't you remember me?
Why, it's the young prince, Bambi. My, how you've changed. Turn around there. Let me look at you. I see you've traded in your spots for a pair of antlers. You know, just the other day, I was talking to myself about you, and we were wondering what had become of you.
And about that time, up popped a full-grown rabbit.
Hello, Bambi. Remember me?
Thumper.
And then, up popped a full-grown skunk.
Hi, fellas.
Flower.
Yeah.
So the three childhood friends were back together again. Bambi looked over toward the meadow, and there he saw Feline.